My name is Crystal Auger, and in biotechnology I am the instructor. Biotechnology is using organisms such as plants, animal cells, and bacteria to make something that's useful for human beings. An example is everyone's familiar with the disease diabetes, and to treat it you use insulin. It regulates the blood sugar. They used to harvest insulin from pigs and cattle. That caused a lot of problems with allergic reactions. There wasn't enough of a supply. In 1978, there was a technology developed called DNA recombinant technology. And basically, they cut and paste the insulin gene from the human genome into bacteria. And it's the same insulin every time. It's also human insulin, so you don't have allergic reactions, and you can get a pretty much unlimited supply because bacteria multiply every 20 to 30 minutes.
I'm Alina Francia, and I'm a student in biotechnology. I have learned how to grow bacteria and isolate it and figure out a lot of different things, like what types of shapes the bacteria are.
You are working with bacteria, but we have safety protocols in place. One of the things that I first teach the students is how to be safe in the laboratory and how to work safely with bacteria. And we also don't use any pathogenic or disease-causing organisms. They're all high school safe.
Our labs are usually equipped with the most highest technology that we can afford, and we are well trained in it.
All of our equipment is state-of-the-art. We have all the new equipment available to the biotechnology students. Biotechnology is a huge industry here in Massachusetts. You'll know all the different pieces of the equipment, such as a microscope and a microcentrifuge. You'll learn to make solutions and have the skills that you would need to get an entry-level job in the biotechnology industry.
I see myself working in maybe a teaching job for biotechnology or even a professional setting, like a lab.
The central hub of biotechnology is here in Massachusetts. It's the highest concentration of biotechnology companies, so there's a very, very good job outlook. There are many jobs that you can get, not only as a biotechnology lab technician or a research person, but there's biomanufacturing, where my description before about making insulin is you would be in a clean room environment making insulin that would be safe to put into humans. And you can also get jobs such as plumbing, electricians. So it's a very big industry with many jobs. You can go into forensic science. You've heard of crime scene investigation. You can do that because you need to have a lot of skills working with DNA. There's about a 10 to 15% increase in biotechnology jobs every year, which with the unemployment rate is very competitive in getting you a secure job.
The most interesting part, I'd have to say, is working with my partner, making labs and just having fun in the shop.
Biotechnology helps in modern day science by treating diseases such as cancer, lung cancer, diseases like diabetes, cystic fibrosis, which is too much mucus in the lungs. It also treats bacterial infections and many other diseases. The future for biotechnology industry is going to be continued research and growth for medicines, treatments for cancer, treatments for other diseases.
I chose biotech because it's something I really enjoy. I love forensics, and I just want to do something that I know will help a lot of people.